Okay, so how do I cancel out the sign? We use the inverse sign or the arc sign. So those cancel. So theta would be the inverse sine of the opposite over the hypotenuse. Okay? And then we have an arc function for each of the three trig functions. So if I want to get rid of cosine, right, I arc cosine both sides. So theta would be the arc cosine of adjacent over hypotenuse. And then the tan function has the same thing. Okay.
If the sine of theta is opposite over hypotenuse, then why wouldn't you just flip it?
Well, because I'm not trying to cancel out the fraction, I'm trying to cancel out the sine function.
Oh, okay.
Okay?
Yeah.
All right, so now we're going to practice this. So first thing you want to decide is should I use sine, cosine, or tangent on, so let's look at 1A. Should I use sine, cosine, or tangent? Nope.
How do you know?
Well, you tell me. What do you think? Why tangent, Victoria?
Because the H isn't there.
Because I have the 9, which is the opposite side. Good job, Victoria. And the 7.4, which is adjacent, and I don't have the hypotenuse. So I could use tangent, but then I'd have to do Pythagorean theorem to find the hypotenuse, which is like a whole another step I don't need to do when I can choose which trig function to use. Does that make sense? Okay. So if I set up my function, I have tangent of theta is 9 over 7.4, right? Tangent of theta is opposite over adjacent. But I want to find the angle, so then I need to use my arctan. So I'll tan inverse or arctan both sides, because if I do it to one side, I got to do it to the other, right? And then I'm ready to type it in and round to the hundredths place. So then I have the inverse tan of 9 over 7.4. So I got 50.57. I told you, Tyler. Oh, I know, it's hard to see. I got 50.57. Anyone else get that? Yeah. Yay. Okay. Oh, I did not mean to do that. Okay. All right, I'm going to come around and answer questions, but I want you to try B and C. Okay? Try B and C.